Walk around here thinking you're not pretty, but that's not true. 'Cause I know you. You're losing it, the water's high, you're jumping into it and letting go. And no one knows that you cry, but you don't tell anyone. Yesterday's gone, we gotta keep moving on. I'm so thankful for the moment, so glad I got to know you.
Just be a noise.
Can't get you out of my head.
I promise I'll crash without her there.
She's like a rock, and you keep chipping off a piece to hold on to. And there's gotta be something more than this than a life full of accidents. And kissing in the rain, I'm so in love, and I'm cursing your name. So in love that you're acting insane, and that's the way I loved you. Roller coaster kind of rush.
I really see no resemblance between that.
Hey, goddamn song!
No, look.
He's Chef's lawyer. Yeah, and he...
Is it?
Come on, guys. Hi.
I did, you know.
We're trying to raise money.
Girl, cheddar, cheddar cheese girl. Just don't understand what my music is missing. Hand it. Now go arrest them. Sorry. Weirdo.
John, what are you doing here?
It occurred to me that you might need some. We suck. I love that man. What?
Johnny Cochran to sue you. Yeah, now get out of here.
News. Chef Aid is over, and you to be a free man and finally have your name credited on the song Stinky Britches.